Hey guys, let's make dinner with me. We're gonna make some burger and fries. And for that one person who's gonna be in the comments like healthy eating and whatever, there are so many videos on TikTok about healthy eating. Go check one of those out. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the burger meat, the bacon and fries in my toaster oven / air fryer. I'm gonna set it on air fryer mode and we're gonna leave that to do its thing. Now we're gonna prepare our buns and the toppings. So I'm washing the lettuce, tomato, and onions, and we're gonna toast our buns. I love my buns toasted. And I put garlic powder and some parsley just to flavor it up a bit. Now we're gonna add some mayo. Not a fan of mayo, but I added it anyways. And we're putting on our toppings, which is lettuce, tomatoes, our onions.